everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very happy Thursday out there to everybody watching. I love Thursday videos because we talk about new releases. I haven't been on Treadmood's Instagram in a week. I cannot wait. It is my Wednesday. I wait until Wednesday and so excited. Anyways, hi, my name is Kelly. I'm very caffeinated. I have full coffee and I am ready to chat about some new makeup. Okay, if this is your first time here, I want to say hi, hello. I hope you decide to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you want to follow along, which is a lot of fun, I will have Treadmood's Instagram handle down in the comments description. Dang it. I will get it right someday. All of the information I'm going off of will be down in the description box. If you want to follow along, it would be a lot of fun. I didn't buy anything this past week. Past couple weeks, I haven't bought any makeup. I'm proud of myself. But anyways, I want to start by saying how much I am absolutely thankful that you are taking the time, hanging out with me, and the love, the support, the conversations, the absolute amazing connections I've made here on social media. I love them. And I want to say thank you to everybody out there. Sound mushy-gushy. Just thank you for being in a part of my journey. I love it. I love it. Thank you. I appreciate you, and thank you. Thank you for hanging out with me every week. So let's get on Treadmood's website. Oh, dang. Treadmood's Instagram. She does have a website, by the way. Maybe that's why I get confused. There's more pictures on her Instagram, but like the Anyways, so last we spoke, we talked about ABH coming out with a holiday vault. Again, I wanted it last year, but I didn't get it. This year, there's only two palettes. There's Soft Glam and Modern Renaissance. Both I don't have. I never got them because I was like, I don't do warm colors at all, and I love them now. And so I'm still debating. I think it releases on Thursday. I should probably look. So it's probably going to be another one of those where it sells out really fast. They are going to be at Ulta. I did notice they are $49. You get the two palettes, which is a really great deal. But I'm almost afraid I would buy them as a reference, like a future video or release, and oh, this reminds me of, or I'm not buying this because I have. I don't know how much I would actually get use out of it, and that's kind of where I'm torn with whether or not I'm going to get them because I have a formula I like. I like ABH's formula, but I have to be careful with it. So I have had many conversations with friends and family and people on the internet about this palette, and myself included, and I still don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get this. I'm intrigued. I'm interested. I just don't know. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. I don't know. So if you have any opinion, or if you're getting it, let me know. Maybe I can live vicariously through you in the comments. Okay, so the first thing that grabbed my attention, it looks like lip stuff. It's a holiday set. More holiday set. By ABH, there's a 10-piece liquid lipstick set, the 10-piece lip gloss set, 10-piece matte lipstick set, mini-sized. The first two were full-size. Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam, we already kind of chatted about that. I probably won't. I probably won't get any of the lip sets, just because I did just buy a lot of Lorac lip sets, and I'm trying not to buy too many. I like nudes, and I have a couple, single colors that I would try to wear. Well, I am trying to wear, but, for the most part, I wear nudes. I have a lot of nudes. I think I'm going to pass. Without even looking, I think I'm going to pass. I don't know what these are. I went to the website and they just keep saying balm. So they're a glitter balm. I like glitters. I don't like neon glitters though. I mean, it's not my thing. I can't figure it out. I'm very confused. Nothing is helping me. So I'm thinking it's probably not cosmetic grade glitter. I mean, it looks like chunky glitter, so I'm assuming it's not. And that's why it just says balm. Glitter balm. B-A-L-M, not bomb. Whatever. Anyways, I thought they were bath bombs. and I was going to get them for my daughter. Anyways. Okay, what is this? This is by Covergirl. It says that it's online on Amazon. This is the new line of Clean Fresh by Covergirl. There's a cooling glow stick, a cream blush, and a skin milk nourishing foundation and coconut milk aloe extract dewy finish gives your skin the moisture boost. Lasts all day long, blurring imperfections, creating a more even skin tone, light coverage, natural finish, 14 shades. Available December 15th. Officially available December 15th at Covergirl. I have recently found a love for Covergirl, and I want to try it. I'm really sad that not the concealer, but the, what do you call it? Help me out. Vitalist Elixir or whatever. The foundation. I just finally tried the foundation, and they're getting rid of it. So that kind of sucks for me, but I'm very interested in it. I'm interested in everything their brand. I think it's absolutely amazing. I don't know. They're a brand on my radar, I guess. I've ignored them for a long time, and I don't know why, and I'm falling in love with everything. Anyways, this is something else by Good Molecules. Is this a new thing? This is a silicone-free priming moisturizer. I love that idea. I love when skincare also works as like something that benefits makeup and vice versa. I love when makeup is like has skincare benefits. I haven't tried anything from Good Molecules. I like every time I go on to order, I get overwhelmed. I get stressed out because I'm like, I just buy it all. I haven't bought anything, but I'm really interested. I might actually have to grab this because, like I said, I'm really curious. Oh, there's something by NARS. What is this? Lunar New Year is almost here. This is by NARS. It says it's coming around January. I'm not sure if this is a whole set or what. There's an eyeshadow quad that's really pretty. A lip balm setting powder. Cushion foundation. Maybe, no, I don't think it's probably not. It's probably a collection. I like the packaging. It's kind of cool. But they have a bunch of stuff coming out. That's really exciting. I love everything that I've tried from NARS. What is this glowy goodness? This is by Joar Cosmetics. I have struggled with this. Anyways, it's a molten glow all over face and body highlighter and Funfetti lip topper. I don't think I have anything by Joar Cosmetics. I'm curious. Nothing has ever, like, the blush palettes really scream to me because I love blush. And they do look really, really pretty. It's just this, I think, isn't something that I'm going to go after. It's pretty, though. It looks pretty. I think we talked about it last week. The KKW of Mario, Artist and Muse, like, set. I still really want it. Yeah. I think I might end up getting it. Just, there is something about it I am so drawn to. Yeah. I'm still watching it. Maybe they'll have a Black Friday deal. Probably not. But, I mean, one could hope. Something new from Benefit Cosmetics. This is not a holiday collection. This is a hydrating hydrating primer. The Professional Hydrate Primer. It says it has natural finish, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. It does say that it still helps to minimize the look of pores. It is $32 full size. I'm not a fan of the regular Professional. I don't even know that it's a dry thing. I kind of feel like it does nothing. It does kind of blur pores. It does nothing for my fine lines. And I don't really have a pore problem. I mean, I don't mean that to be like rude or anything. I worry less about my pores than I do other skin things. So it was a very meh thing. What is this? It looks like Jeffree Star Cosmetics is coming back with the green color in the mini controversy. So that's really cool. Coming in March. I know a lot of people really, really liked that green. And they were kind of bummed when it wasn't in that palette. This is this big palette. Bare Necessities collection by ColourPop. So they did all the minis. Now they're doing the big palettes. Big palettes, they do. They really, they kind of overwhelm me. It says it will be 30 shades for $30. I mean, that's good value as long as the product is good. Jeffree Star mystery boxes, holiday edition. They go on sale Cyber Monday or Black Friday. Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. November 28th at noon PST if you are curious. I don't know that I will get one. BH Cosmetics Sagittarius palette, Zodiac palette is out. I love the purples. I'm not going to get them, but they are pretty. I love the purples. I love the blue on the background packaging. It's really, really cool. Too Faced is coming out with new Lip Plumber Lip Injection Extreme Shades. Didn't they? I think they only had, it's like a clear, right? I think is all they had before. That's cool. I really like that they're giving a little bit of color to the gloss. Oh, what is this? CVS Stores. It's a Hello Halo Blush Lighter by Wet n Wild. There's 3 different ones. Is there like a highlighter and then a blush? I'm assuming. Blush lighter. These are really pretty. I really, really like them. Maybe they were just highlighters, but those are really, really pretty. It doesn't say that they are holiday, so maybe they're permanent. What is this? ColourPop. This is their holiday collection, I guess, or one of them. I thought the Elsa Anna was holiday. This is As Good as Gold collection. There's an eyeshadow palette. There's lipsticks and lip pencils, lip glosses maybe. Liquid liners, lashes. Full collection by ColourPop. That's amazing. I'm impressed a little bit that they do so much. What is this footprint? ColourPop is teaming up with NKLA and the Super Shock Shadow and Positivity Perfect. Net profits will be donated to Best Friends Animal Society. That is really cool. I like that. I don't like their Super Shock highlighters like at all, but I love that they're teaming up with somebody. I like that. I like that a lot. Revealed. It's raining. ColourPop. Seriously? Holiday 2019 collection. The Vault. You get the eyeshadow. There's an eyeshadow palette vault, mini glittery obsessed vault, just a tint vault, lippy sticks vault. Lots of vaults to be had over at ColourPop if you were missing out on anything. What is this blue palette? This is a palette by Blush Tribe. These are really cool. There is swatches. Oh, I'm really drawn to the purple side there. Those are really pretty. And the greens too. I don't know that I will get this. It says it'll be available in January, but oh, that's really pretty. I don't think I have tried anything from Blush Tribe like at all, but that is really, really pretty. I very much so drawn to it immediately. Here's some of Jeffree Star's 5th anniversary Black Friday highlighters. They're $50 each, you guys. That's a really expensive for one highlighter. They're very big, and it's just, I think there's only one that I would actually use, and I don't think it's ever in stock. Here's a fun palette. This little guy. Well, who's this? This is by Ace Beauty, the Scarlet Dusk. It has 12 shades, and it will be available December 2nd by Ace Beauty. Did I say that? I don't think I don't have anything by Ace Beauty at all. I really like that color story a ton. Beautiful. Well, here's something from ABH. What is this? This is Black Friday. Oh, these are limited edition magnetic palettes. $10 each are free if you purchase 6 single eyeshadows. Oh, that's cool. I kind of want all of them. I mean, I don't know that I will get any of them. I don't have a lot of single eyeshadows, but these are really, really pretty. These are really cool. I love them. Did we hear anything about Tati Beauty? I don't think I've seen anything about Tati Beauty. Let's go to her website, because she's supposed to drop something Thursday, and it's Wednesday or Friday. She's supposed to drop something Friday. Okay, so I didn't find anything about Tati Beauty. I'm still curious as to what she is dropping. Anyways, there was a lot to talk about. I was kind of thinking there wasn't going to be a lot, and maybe I was not going to have to. I was almost thinking I was going to not do this new release video and do like a Black Friday, what am I looking for? But really, I will just tell you now. I am looking at what Tati Beauty is launching. I'm not sure what it is, so I don't know if I have an opinion on whether or not I'm going to buy it. So there's that. I am kind of thinking and debating on the ABH Vault with the 2 palettes for $49. I might get that and like have it be like a gift from the kids or something. I might do that, or I might do the KKW Mario Round 2 collection. I really, really love everything in that collection, and I'm very brand curious. I love the color stories in it. That's about it. Let's look at what we have. I'm super excited to hear that there are some launches that are brand expansion. Yeah, brand expansion. CoverGirl, I'm really, really curious on all of that. Good Molecules is also expanding their line, as well as Benefit with our Professional. I know a lot of people really like it. It's not my thing. ColourPop is expanding a lot. Oh, and Too Faced. Too Faced is also expanding it, because I don't think that's part of their holiday. That looked like it was permanent as well. So as far as what I'm really curious in, I'm like pretty much nothing new. Other than, well, that CoverGirl. I might, you know what, I'm not, does it say when? I don't think I'm going to try the CoverGirl right away, or maybe I will. I'm very brand curious with Lorac too. I love their powder products, so I want to try more like complexion kind of products from them. So I was thinking about doing that in the month of December, but maybe I will do CoverGirl instead. I don't know. Which would you guys like to see? Would you like to see the new CoverGirl, or would you like to see me kind of explore a little bit more of Lorac? Either way, they're both happening. Which would you like to see first? But anyways, I had a lot of fun. I enjoyed this video so much. I look forward to it. I look forward to filming it. I look forward to editing it. I love this. So let me know what caught your attention this month. What are you grabbing? And let me know down in the comments. Are you Black Friday shopping? I don't know that we're not leaving the house. I don't do that. I might do a little bit of online shopping, just a little bit. Anyways, most of my holiday shopping's done. I want to say again, I'm very thankful for everybody that tunes in each week, and I will see everybody in the next video. Bye.